Now I took all that content and I went into a site that I really liked. This is new, called CredTent. CredTent, the idea was that I could add all these things, images, videos, audios, all this content in my creative library, and I can get it protected from AI. Do not train AI. That's the first thing they have. The next level will be able to license your images out to like ChatGPT if a group of people are doing this. Now, while that may sound crazy, and you're looking at CredTent, who's brand new, Penguin Publishing has started to do this at all its authors. It represents for AI training. And there's a real issue of whether they get consent or not. But HarperCollins, another publisher, took it to the next level. They're talking about actual money fees of $2,500 to $5,000 for AI training for a work. Now, that may not sound a lot for you, and it really probably is limited to very famous people, but you're actually able to see if you can get some value out of AI training. And if nothing else, be able to make some money from what you're doing by being in with a group like CredTent or wherever. I'm using them just as an example. If you're with them, that collective effort allows them to put out a lot more content to be trained. So Penguin is representing its authors and doing it individually or maybe collectively. We'll see. But this kind of thing CredTent's doing is so crazy easy. I mean, look, here's their creative library. I put in 2 of my sites. I'll show you how to do it. Opt out of AI training, I click on. This could be a channel like a blog, a podcast, or any medium which is contributing new material. Or it could be a static work like your book, a movie, and a song you wrote. You get to put in the address, the name. So let's say I went and I said it was the AI Optimist. And this is great. This is what I wanted to leave you with. These are the 3 copyrights you'll be looking at. We either have a human composed creation. That's so important. And I do say to creators, the value of a human created work is probably going to get higher as everybody gets into generative AI, as long as it's good and different and unique. So you have an HCC that says this is human. You have an AAC, which is AI assisted created. And then you have an ACC, AI composed creation. Others call it AI generated. So it's really simple. Human with AI as an assistant, meaning that the human actually created it first and the AI just helps, like Grammarly helping with clean up your writing. And then full AI generated, which right now cannot get any copyright in the US. But by doing that, you're able to set the level of your permissions, you're able to be in control, and you're able to also protect the work that you've done with a click of a button. And you have optional information you can put in. I'm not going to go into the details with you as much as I found this pretty remarkable that CredTent allows me to set up multiple things. Right now, they just do training. They're talking about $20 or $30 a year. Now, all these businesses, brand new. So obviously you want to watch what you do and see what works for you. And don't expect them to be perfect or to get that licensing money, but you want to start now when all of this is fresh and now you have some say in who takes or controls your content. And maybe you don't work with just CredTent. Like, let's check out another one, CreatedByHumans.ai.